Hi guys!
Hi.
Welcome to the hiking vlog.
Hi.
So who do we have here? We got the driver here. And then we got John, Kevin, and the two sisters at the back.
We don't even get a name.
Atadana and Juliana. And now we're gonna cut to Juan's part.
Okay, so we just picked up Isabel. Say hi. How are you feeling?
Good.
And Therese.
Hello.
How are you feeling?
Good.
Age and fun fact about you. No, I'm kidding. Okay, we just picked up Hannah.
Hello.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. Feeling excited. We're kind of matching.
Fun fact about yourself.
Excited. I haven't hiked in like a year, so
Nice.
we'll see.
Like and subscribe.
Pretty bad.
Alright guys, look, so we got him.
Just from
Tim's
classics.
run. You know,
It is on my
Tim's
phone.
Run, Tim's run, Tim's run, Tim's run.
Yeah.
John's about to sleep already.
Right here.
Is if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. Just can't tell it all. Alright, hey, yeah, we driving to Johnston's Canyon, we climbing the top, we about to be in a mansion. Hey, let me switch up the flow. We in the car, we on the go. People come and go like a yo-yo. You know what they call me? Joshua Bojo. Hi guys, so we're here. We've made it. We're still waiting for 4 more people because they forgot a pass. Unbelievable. They forgot to buy a pass. How do you do that? Yo, are you enjoying recording there?
I'm not recording anymore, but like I'll play with the Zoom.
Yo, can you record? Record for a second.
Okay.
Watch this. So you're seeing me right now. Now you're seeing Kevin.
That's crazy.
That is so crazy.
That's so crazy. I'm playing with the Zoom right now.
Now we're side by side together on the split screen. You know how crazy that is?
MTV breaking news. Josh, what's your complaint right now?
Bro, why are they taking so long?
Who's taking too long?
Them.
Where are they?
Hey guys, we made a little pit stop. We're just getting a little.
We forgot to get our pass for the day.
Yeah, but it's
So-
okay because we use the washrooms while we're
We
here.
used the it was meant to be.
So everything happens for a reason.
So yeah, we'll see you guys.
We'll see you. Did you have to use the porta potty? Yeah, we did it.
We did it.
We did it.
We're smart.
We're smart.
I'll be honest with you. I kind of hate them right now. Yeah.
Hey guys. We're at another stop.
Juan had to get water.
So now we're chilling. The reason why we're late.
Yeah. If we're late and they're mad at us, it's
Okay, Juliana, so what do you got to say about how was the hike so far?
The hike, it was so hard.
No. We haven't even started.
It's fine. Like,
Why?
walking there.
Because they're late.
So, anyways,
See you guys when we see
see you guys when we get there. Next time you'll see us, we'll be there.
We will. We promise.
We. Bye.
A few moments later.
Unbelievable. This is ridiculous.
Guess who's May? Or guess who's here?
Hi.
Getting ready.
Banana, banana.
What's up, guys?
I know we all are.
Josh, what are you gonna say to them?
Do you think it'll be hot?
Yo, man, I'm glad they're here, bro. I'm really
I would imagine being late.
That's crazy.
That's
No inconvenience at all. I'll be honest with you. Kind of hate them right now. Bro, I have a question for you. Yeah. What are those?
Subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Yo. Diana, what do you got? Apparently, this is a 2-hour hike. 2-hour hike?
Time?
My intention going into this hike is just to see a bear.
Okay. And these two are their own little world. They're the trailblazers, and then there's everyone else.
RMG. Hi guys, so all that running, almost slipped, got it on camera. So, have you ever hiked before? Have you ever hiked before?
Yes.
How was
Not in the winter. Like
never in the winter? Where was it? Where did you hike?
I think it was Bear Hump.
Bear Hump?
Yeah.
How was that? Was there a lot of bears?
There's a lot of
Hold on, listen. I can't lie, guys. I'm actually scared. Are you scared? No?
Not gonna lie, your head.
What about my head?
From the back, it looks like a lettuce top.
Unbelievable. Mine just roasted my haircut. Yo, man. It's a hard hike right now. I can't lie. I'm kind of sweating already. That's how you know I'm out of shape.
What is this, Josh?
I'm meant to fly. I'm already sweating. What'd you say?
This is beautiful, right?
It's beautiful. It's actually amazing.
Nice.
RBG, if that camera drops. Ooh!
You have to deal with a slippery slope, everyone holding on.
Round 2 again. Round two. Guys, I'm low-key risking my life while recording. Oh yeah, keep sliding. Are you okay?
I got the recording. What? No, I'm recording.
Never giving that to Juan. After that, how have you been?
I'm good. It's fun. Relaxing.
What face are you making? Yeah.
They're actually running it. What's going on? Okay, I'm running with y'all too then. Yo, if we slip, it's over. Why are you running? I'm gassed, y'all. It's over for me. Kevin's gone. He's out on the loose. Woo! What a workout. Let me tell y'all, yeah, we didn't slip. Why? Because we didn't think we were gonna slip. You know what happened? We thought we were gonna make it, and we make it. That's what the moral of the story is. You don't live with fear, you live with confidence. Yes, sir. Okay, let's have a talk, Juliana. Okay, so after all finals and stuff and that, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
How does this feel to just enjoy the outdoors?
Very refreshing.
Very refreshing, right?
How do you feel?
I feel very good, relaxed, refreshing. Yeah, guys, now that I have a little bit of time to myself, I love enjoying the nature, like on a real note. It's been amazing. You're just enjoying God's creation, you know, like it's beautiful out here. This is just the first hike of many this year. I love the outdoors, man, especially every time since I'm home, school, it's always electronics, devices. Man, just like enjoying the weather, enjoying your peace. It's amazing. Alright guys, we're almost there. Almost there. How's the view?
Amazing.
Why did we decide to run?
Oh no.
Alright, quick recap. We are done. Now we're going downhill. So what do you want to say?
Yeah, pass the camera.
Alright.
Yeah, it's been a journey.
Yep.
We're heading out now. I'm so hungry. I can't even lie to y'all.
We did 2 sprints.
Yeah. We got everything on camera.
Everything on camera.
One person slipped. I won't mention who. But yeah, it's been nice.
I almost slipped and died.
Oh yeah, Harman did like next level crazy.
Next level crazy.
But yeah, we're heading back now. About to go eat. Tell the viewers what you just said.
Life moves fast, so you gotta take it slow.
Oh!
Hey vlog, we're influencers.
We're on our way back, and I just want to be at the car. I can't believe we have to go back. Like, that's so dumb.
Do you imagine like a hike where you just go there and
Yeah.
just teleport back?
Exactly. I think that should be a thing. I think there should be some sort of like a go-kart that brings you back.
Josh, what is that? An arbitrage opportunity.
A go-kart?
A go-kart.
We're gonna make a profit now. We got a target of pain.
This is what happens when you hike with business people. Oh my god.
So guys, this is my ate. She's very wise.
I am.
An inspiration right here.
Oh, thank you. Are you just saying that now?
No, I'm being serious. After Dana, we had a quote.
Huh?
You live your life
What?
with confidence, not with fear.
Not with fear.
Right?
No, actually, didn't anyone ever tell you that it's okay to have fears?
You have to courage.
You have to be able to live
overcome
with it,
them.
though. No, you don't necessarily have to have no fears.
Okay, enlighten me ate.
Overcoming your fears doesn't necessarily mean having no fears at all. You could have fears, but it's like how you are able to like, I don't know, I wouldn't say live with it, but like still do something and try something new regardless.
So you're saying it's okay to have fear,
Yeah,
but don't let that fear overtake you.
yeah, it's scary. Why are you
Guys, we're going very, very slowly. You know, sometimes you don't want to be overconfident. You know what I'm saying?
What did we say?
You still gotta know your limits. Then it, lads. Yeah, you know, just, yeah. So basically, moral of the story, guys, because life goes on so fast. So if you take a walk, you're able to slow down and think. Why am I like this right now? John, how was the hike for you?
It was great. A bit disappointing that they blocked it off.
Because of the railing?
Yeah, but we're good.
Love it. What about you, Kevin?
It's been 5 years.
Good.
You're alive in one piece.
Alive, yeah. I haven't slipped.
I'm alive.
The outdoors, man. I love it. It just puts me in my thoughts, you know. But I love going out, the outdoors, away from technology. I mean, obviously I'm recording with the camera, but I mean, that's just to capture the nature. Trying to enjoy the moment and also make clips for y'all. But yeah, it's beautiful. You're the goat. John, you're the goat. Alright guys, we're going to bath now. We're gonna go eat, have a picnic. Uh-oh!
You don't know you're beautiful.
Hey guys, so I'm back on bath. You guys have probably seen this already.
We're out here, bad. We just hiked 72 kilometers.
72 kilometers.
We're getting beaver tails and food. Dons.
And McDonald's, because why? Because the altitude is higher, so that means the McDonald's quality is higher.
No way.
Yo, where are we at, Dana?
Chaya.
What is chaya? I'll be honest with you, I've never eaten chaya.
Nope. No, I'm waiting. Don't worry about it. I'll wait. I'll wait. Don't worry.
These guys are like sisters, man.
We are. We are related.
Have you guys ever fought?
We like fight like not for real though.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just pretend.
Like, guys, by the way, this is my first time ever getting a beaver tail.
Oh wait.
Yeah, this is my first time. Guys, first ever taste of a beaver tail. I got the vanilla cocoa, cookies and vanilla. Whoa.
Oh yeah, like us?
This is actually good, bro. Sorry. Okay, you can start recording. So we're gonna buy a Lululemon fanny pack.
Hi guys, we're gonna buy a Lululemon fanny pack.
Hi, Isabel vlog. Come on, Isabel.
Hey guys, it's me, Izzy G. Hi. It's me.
Did you say Izzy G?
That my cousins and I made a band when we were like 9, and my nickname was Izzy G.
Izzy G?
That's a rapper name.
That's a rapper name. Guys, so we're at Lululemon. Are you ready, Isabel?
This or like a Lululemon.
Low key? Low key? I don't mind it. Update, guys, I didn't fall into impulse decisions and I did not buy the bag. Yep, we up.
6 foot.
Guys, I'm 6'4". Wow. Oh my goodness, this feels nice.
What did you just do? Yeah. Hey.
Guys, we're going home now.
Hold this. Can you hold this?
I'm so tired.
Portable? Right here.
So I'm gonna go to sleep.
Okay.
Whatever.
I'm good.
I don't think I'm gonna record anymore. Maybe, maybe not.
I literally
If
just
I wake
shook
up
their
or
hand.
not.
I know. I will.
Good night. Dana, come on, man. Show us your skill. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow, look at her go. Guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're just gonna chill at
He knows
Harmony's
what
house.
he's doing.
Oh, look at Kevin. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Kevin.
Cooler than I am.
Look at him go, man. But yeah, Harmony, I just want to say thank you to this guy. Like and subscribe. If you think I'm tired, I just slept for 2 straight hours on the ride. But yeah,
I know.
take
Well, it's
care.
my second time.
Peace.